A very good afternoon to Mr. Andrew and as well as my dear classmates. So, my name is Wang Yijun, and today allow me to present to you all my presentation for building services topic. So, my chosen topic number one will be escalator and elevator, which we call it as lift. So, what is an escalator? So, basically, it's a mode of transport where it allows to bring people from one level up or one level down. So, it is a building services located inside the building, whether it could be in shopping complex, high-rise condominium. So basically, it allows to transport people from different floor in the whole building. So it is able to fetch large group of people to other floor efficiently, and it also allow us to bring all these goods and services to different floor. So this is a photo of how an escalator looks like. And my next slide will be the components of an escalator. So as you can see, there are a few important components that made up an escalator. So as you can see, there is a handrail, balustrade, steps, tracks, drive motor, truss, safety devices, as well as the controller. So in order for me to talk about maintenance of an escalator, this is very crucial. Why would I say so? First, because to ensure that the escalator is safe to use, and also to ensure that the escalator will function in proper order. And lastly, it also ensures efficiency in functioning of transporting people to different floor. So, how do we provide maintenance of an escalator? So, as you can see, we have four types. First is daily maintenance, second, weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance, as well as quarter maintenance. So, when it comes to daily maintenance, it's about visual checking on all components. And secondly, will be weekly maintenance, which includes basic cleaning on the doors as well as the buttons. So, monthly maintenance is involved in lubrication on components as well as inspection of on the components as well. So lastly will be quarter maintenance, which involve checking on critical electrical components. So I've done for escalator, so allow me to proceed with the second topic, which is elevator lift. So what is an elevator? So it is a vertical method to transport people to any other floor in the building. As usual, it is located in most of the high-rise building as well as shopping complex. So it offers a fastest way to transport people from to different level. So it also allows us to use it to transport goods to other floor. And yeah, so my next slide will be, so this is the components of an elevator or lift. So as you can see, these are labels of where the parts are located at. So what are the components of an elevator? So as you can see, there is a car, or we call it cabin, as well as cable, elevator, control drives, counterweight, horseway, guide rails, car buffer, speed governor, as well as safety system. So the important part will be the maintenance of an elevator. So what is the purpose of maintaining an elevator? As usual, to ensure that it is safe to use, and also to ensure that the elevator will function in proper order. And it also maintenance also allow us to prevent any breakdown of the lift. So it also allows us to expand the lifespan by proper maintenance. So when it comes to maintenance of an elevator, same as escalator, we have four different parts. Will be daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance, as well as quarterly maintenance. So when it comes to daily maintenance, it's all about visual checks on the components. So for weekly maintenance, it's about basic cleaning on the doors as well as the button. So monthly maintenance is about adding lubrication on components as well as inspections on all these electronic devices. So lastly will be quarterly maintenance, which involves checking on electrical components to ensure everything function properly, to ensure if there's any necessary parts to be changed. So to continue with my second chosen topic will be swimming pool. So what is a swimming pool? So swimming pool is basically a building services that is located in sport complex, a high-rise building like condominium. So it provides sports activity for the user, and it also allow us to provide recreation and leisure for the user to promote healthy lifestyle. And of course, one very important thing is it improves the aesthetic value of that particular building, whether it's high-rise, condo, or sport complex. And also it increases the value of the property. So this is how a swimming pool looks like. And then what are the components of the swimming pool? So as you can see, there are a few important ones. First will be skimmer, pump, filter, heater, check valve, chlorinator, as well as salt generator. So basically these are the process where they will filter the water to ensure the water flow will flow in proper order. So this is how a swimming pool works. As you can see, this is a pool, and all these are the important critical components that is located inside the pool. So the maintenance of a pool. So it is very important to provide maintenance to the pool to ensure that it functions in proper order. So as you can see, the maintenance of the pool includes vacuum of the floor and the wall by using the devices, and also to clean the leaves that is located in the pool, as well as to maintain proper chlorine chemical in the pool. Chlorine kills bacteria, so it is important to make sure that the amount of chlorine is enough, and also to check and clean the filter regularly in the pool, and also to check the critical electrical components inside the pool. And lastly will be checking of the plumbing components, as it allows water to go through it. That will be the end. Thank you very much and have a good day.